Everything's about to change. It isn't just electric vehicles, it's what supplies them. How are you going to make those batteries? Where do you get those resources? What about that charging technology? What about that connecting technology? All of those elements are here present in Canada, and we're going to see a lot of the traditional automakers pick up and change everything they're doing all at once.
We have the ability to make all the components from the beginning right through to bringing a vehicle to market and providing access to the biggest markets in the world.
Everything in a car right now, every single component, is already being manufactured by companies that already supply the biggest automakers in the world. The resources that are here, the mining sector is already extracting lithium and nickel and cobalt at volumes that are required.
And there's tremendous enthusiasm and interest, not just from the federal government and the provincial governments and increasingly municipalities, but also from the workforce as well here. You see people really wanting to be part of this technological change and to really help make the future happen.
So if you're going to come here to invest, you don't have to look around. It's all here. Just come ready to go. You'll find that team and that network available to you because that's our culture, isn't it?
For companies that want to be part of this electric vehicle revolution, the place to do it really is in Canada.